To stay up to date on the latest videos, make sure you subscribe via email to the website below and in the video description. And don't forget to follow us on Twitch for daily live streaming. And don't forget to follow us on all the other social medias listed below. All links can be found in the video description.
What's going on, everybody on YouTube? It's Tony Tornado, yeah. And Christmas is right around the corner. We ran into some problems with a couple things we were going to be doing for Christmas. Like, I'm having a CD player installed for my mom for Christmas over at one of the local Audio Express stores here. But I'm not going to be able to get it done in time, so I got to go wrap it. So, yeah, so now I got to go wrap it and bring it home, buy it, wrap it, then take it back. So, it's going to be interesting. I was hoping to get it done early, but I can't. So I was hoping that she could just go outside and just see it for Christmas, but I gotta go get it. And as you can see, we got a whole bunch of stuff all stacked up by the tree. And Cowie, yeah, Cowie's right there too. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this crap going. I don't have much time today, so let's go. My car sounds bitching with this new microphone. It's picking up every little sound that this car is making. Boom. Let's get driving. Now this thing sounds pretty good. I just listened to the clip. This microphone is really awesome when you're doing stuff like out and about, when it picks up a lot of different audio bits. Freaking awesome. This is absolutely awesome. Woo! Yeah, we're going down to the Audio Express here on the east side of Las Vegas. I'm just gonna go over here because I just would rather go over here. But man, we having some fun in this beast today. Haven't had a chance to drive this thing in a little bit. Idiot pulls right in front of me. Common thing to happen here. I don't know why, but either way, still fun. Guys, we're here, Audio Express. Let's go head inside. Guys, I couldn't play the video camera when they're in there because they're playing music, but I did get all the stuff right here. It's freaking awesome. I'll show you guys when I get back home, but actually really excited about it. It's been a little bit more than I thought I was going to, but I'm glad that I got it because I just wanted my mom to at least, I wanted it installed for Christmas. And I wanted to be able to open it up, but I was kind of upset earlier because I didn't think I'd be able to install, like, have her open, you know, have her physically open something on Christmas. But I asked the guy in there if I could just take the parts with me, and he said, yeah, that's fine. Just bring them back on the day you want it installed. And it's kind of cool. So I got a whole bunch of stuff to wrap up for my mom, so it's awesome. So I'm pretty happy with it. So yeah. Alrighty, let's go. Woo! Gotta make sure this goes up after Christmas so my mom won't see it, but yeah, that's the system I got her. Kenwood system with Bluetooth, dashboard, and Bluetooth harness, and the confirmation of me purchasing it, and Callie trying to attack the presents. Cowie! I'm trying to wrap the present, you stink bomb. But yeah, guys, so let's start wrapping. Finish wrapping it. You know, this is probably the best thing I've ever gotten my mom because it's like, so I never really explained it too much, but my mom has a car like my Honda. She has a Honda. It looks just like mine. It's silver too. And she bought that car from a dealership here in Vegas, and when she got home, she went to go put the stereo on. She didn't fool with it when she went to go buy it, believe it or not. And she went to go put the stereo on when she got home, and it don't fucking work. Like, it plays the radio. Yeah, that part works. But the CD and cassette player don't work. And she doesn't even have cassettes. I mean, that's how old the fucking thing is. So, I mean, not dissing on the year of the car or anything, but this thing is awesome. Like, it's a brand new Kenwood system. It's got a Bluetooth in it, so she could turn, she can't hear that well. Well, She can hear okay, but like it's hard sometimes. And it's got Bluetooth, so you could turn. You guys know how the Bluetooth works. You turn the speaker all the way up, and you can just hear your phone call right in the car. And that thing is awesome. So it's literally going to fix like 3 problems with her car in one. And it's actually really, I'm so glad I thought about this, because it's something really cool I can give my mom that she's actually really going to like, because she loves playing CDs and she loves listening to music in the car. And she said she must have said it like 100 times, like, man, I wish that this CD player worked. And she has no freaking clue. Like, it's actually pretty awesome. I'm actually excited about this. I can't wait. Ladies and gentlemen, it is December 28th, and now we finally have time to go get this radio installed in the car. And Mantha is coming and bringing Stink Bomb Rin.
She ain't Stink Bomb.
She is Stink Bomb.
She loves it.
And I don't know if you can tell, but watch my flag blowing out there. It's a pretty windy day in Las Vegas. So I really hope this doesn't take too long. And I hope that we can be done fairly fast. So we'll have to wait and see. It's only like 9 o'clock in the morning. So they have some cars in front of us. But I just can't wait to see what it looks like when it's done. I'm going to get a clip of that real quick in case people haven't seen. But the CD deck didn't work. The cassette deck didn't work, even though who uses cassettes anymore? No Bluetooth, no USB, no nothing. So this radio is really going to bring this car interior into modern era. Right, Mantha?
Yes.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Yeah, and like I said, we'll probably go walk somewhere while we're waiting, okay, yo?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, let's go. CD player does not work. Tape deck does not work. Pretty much your standard Honda radio, but it's all junk. None of it works except for the radio. That's it. This whole unit. And I actually had one of those tape, what is those things? Those MP3 to tape deck things you buy at Walmart, and it's stuck in there. You can't see it, but it's stuck in there.
Because it ate it, right?
Yeah. So can't wait to replace this crap. On our way to Audio Express. On a fucking windy ass day too.
Windy.
It's fucking windy, all right. I really hope that we're not gonna be sitting around forever.
Guess what?
What?
This is like a dash cam.
It is kind of like a dash cam, really.
Yeah.
I would like to get a GoPro.
I know.
Problem is, we wouldn't have much use for it for a while.
I know.
All right, well, it is. Where is it? I think it's down past this green light. Yeah, it's not too far away.
Yeah.
I feel like we could walk somewhere while we're waiting, because there's nowhere to really sit down in there to wait, so.
Okay.
Yeah, so we'll be there in like a second.
Alright.
Decided that since we dropped the car off, that we are going to be walking back up towards the strip. I bet you the microphone's probably going fucking crazy right now with this wind. Who knows? But I think it's pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool that we get a chance to do something like this, because we don't get a chance to film too much outside. So whenever I get a chance to do that, I like doing it. What do you think, man? Do you think they'll be done the car relatively fast?
Yeah.
That's good. I think so too. Now see, do you really want to walk all the way back to, you see where that one white building is? Not the tall one, but the other one. I forget what hotel that is. That's where we pretty much have to walk. I don't care either, because I'm getting exercise, but I'm just worried about you and Rin.
She'll be fine.
Yeah, you think Rin's okay?
Yeah.
Rin, get over on the sidewalk. Yeah. This is a damn busy road over here. Come on, Rin.
No.
Yeah, Mantha, if you want, you can use this video for your service dog stuff.
Yeah. No.
That's a good idea. But yeah, Callie's at home right now, guys. I'm only talking this loud because I'm not sure if the microphone is picking up this stuff because of the wind. So do not get upset at me if you hear me yelling. I have no idea how the mic is working in this weather, but it is pretty windy out. Good thing I emptied this camera. We got well over an hour and a half left of space. It's actually kind of cool. We'll get you some exercise, Mantha.
What?
I said it's kind of cool. We'll get you some exercise. It's not as far as I originally thought, because I was thinking the McDonald's and all that stuff is way down, but it's really not that far. Like, we've already walked pretty far, considering. So that's kind of cool. Ren! Mantha, Ren's like, yo, we're going on a new adventure, yo.
I know, I have a tighter hold of her leash because all the cars, you know?
What's that?
I have a tighter hold of her leash because all the cars.
Don't worry, I'm on the side where the cars are, and plus there's an emergency lane right here that nobody's even using.
I know. No.
Hey, Mantha. Bump! Like your belly. Bump. Yeah, because, oh shit. Ren's face, did you see that pizza box go flying? Oh my god, I'm glad I got that on video. That was funny. Ren was like, what the hell? What the hell, flying pizza box? Yeah, we actually walked pretty far. There's the stratosphere already, over there. Kind of see it.
No. Good. It's getting better about this.
I was worried about going to this Audio Express because last time, remember when we had the Camaro?
Yeah.
We had it done at the other Audio Express
Yeah.
near Summerlin and that by the everything. And what happened to Ren?
Nothing. She put her nose down. I didn't see her.
What'd she do?
She put her nose down. I didn't see her.
Oh, okay. Well, as long as she's okay. Oh God, that wind. Oh my God. Fucking dust storm, man. I think it's funny how the one day we're doing this is like it's windy as all hell. Be careful walking past here. Yeah, we walked pretty far already.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a stratosphere over there. We're not too far away. Yeah, I'm just going to continuously record this. Why not? We're already on Commercial Circle. I said I'm not really that cold right now. Are you cold?
Not really.
I'm not either. It's kind of weird. It's like once we started walking, I wasn't really that cold anymore. You're not tired yet, are you? Okay. Whoa, shit.
Whoa.
That was a step. I didn't even see it. Yeah, look, all these cars, nobody's coming right now. I swear too, ladies and gentlemen, the stuff I do for other people. The stuff I do for other people. But hey, you know, my mom deserves it. I don't really care. Doesn't bother me any. Plus, me and Samantha get some good exercise. I mean, I exercise almost every day anyway, but Samantha needs it more than I do. Good old-fashioned walking, nothing wrong with that. Good old-fashioned walking, Mantha. Here comes Mr. Walking Man. Walking Man. Woo. Well, yeah, the wind's blowing. Oh my God, is that a fucking lamp store? look, it's a damn lamp store. It's called Statewide Lighting Center.
Hey,
Come on, Ren. It's so funny how when you're driving past something, you think that it's so far away, but really, like in walking distance, it's not that far at all. Like, look how far we went. Oh, look, that's the Republic Services headquarters. I was wondering where that building was. It's right here. Yo, I'm not even kidding. The wind almost blew the camera out of my hands. Fucking Christ. I'd be so pissed if that happened. Hopefully we don't get windburn. I've had that before and it hurts really bad. I swear if I get windburn, I'm gonna make a freaking video that says I got fucking windburn. Like, I'm not even kidding. Got fucking windburn, yo. Popo Patrol. Sausage McMuffin.
no.
You want McDonald's, yo? That'd be kind of cool, right? Whew. It is freezing cold out right now. Yeah, I'm starting to actually get cold now. I didn't even know there was a Marie Callender's right here. That's a Marie Callender's. We've been there before, remember? But just a different location.
We'll work on the stuff.
Yeah.
Because she hasn't been out in a while.
Oh shit. Through the bus stop. I actually feel pretty good that we're walking. Like, I ride on my bike every day, but I don't get a chance to do this. It's kind of nice. Get in the zone. Auto zone. Be careful crossing with Ren here. Let's go around this truck. Come on, Ren. Man, so we're almost there.
I know.
And I think we've been walking, let me check. We haven't even walked for 10 minutes. And you know what's awesome? McDonald's has Wi-Fi too. Woo! Oh my God, the wind. Beverly Way. We're on Beverly Way on the 2400 block. 76 gas station. It wouldn't be so bad if it was so fucking windy. Not too much further. It's like right up there, see?
Yeah.
Well, it's past that billboard. Watch the step. There's the Strat. Beautiful shot of the Strat. I'm so glad I got these headphones now because my ears are covered. Good, Amber?
Yeah.
Ring walking. Uh, 7-Eleven. I was laughing about that at rush hour 2 the other night. He was like, what are you doing with 7-Eleven? Why you call him 7-Eleven? Because his mouth never shuts. Get it? Because 7-Eleven never shuts down. It's always open. Oh God, that was not good. Come on, yo. Santa Rosa Avenue. I got all this crap in my throat for some reason. Come on, Mantha. Great, now I'm not going to stop coughing. Come on, Mantha. We're almost there. Not bad. Is Brent okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Whenever you're behind me, she tries to go ahead.
Yeah.
It's because of those follow tasks when I'm trying to.
It's okay. We're almost here.
I know. She's getting better about it.
Yeah. No joke, I actually feel pretty good. I don't know about you, but you're probably getting tired a little bit. Steps, man. car.
Stop.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, cool. We're almost there. I can see it. Sweet. That's an old Buick right there, like my car. Those old grandpa cars, they got freaking awesome motors in them. Love them. I think that's a Roadmaster. Big old Corvette motor in those things. Man, I can see the McDonald's arches. We're almost there, yo. Look, man, the grass. Grass. Woo-hoo. Yep, there's the Golden Arch over there. We gotta cross one more street. You doing good?
Yeah.
Cool.
Sorry.
The hell was that? Oh, it's a cup. There it is, right there, all painted up nice. Hit that button again, just in case. Wait.
Come on, stop.
Yeah, remember, you gotta listen for your phone too.
I know.
Any day now. It actually wasn't that long. That was about a 15-minute walk. Okay, we can walk now. Be careful, because people still turn like that guy. Let's go this way. Up through the McDonald's. Woo. You ready to go in?
Yeah.
Let's go. Ready to go back, Mantha? Mantha. Mantha. Can you hear me? Oh, I said you ready to go back?
Yeah.
That was fun. Spent 3 hours in McDonald's. Woo. Oh, I guess we can cross. You want to cross now? Alright. I thought we were going to have to wait. Woo. It's actually not as cold as it was earlier. The wind was blowing really bad. That is crazy. Why are you running? Oh, okay. Alrighty. Yeah, it's nowhere near as cold as it was earlier. I mean, it's still kind of cold, but the wind's not blowing, so. How long do you think it's going to take to walk back?
Not long.
Like another 15, 20 minutes?
Something like that. Not too long.
That's crazy. Phoenix, can you still hear me?
Well,
Phoenix,
probably lost the call.
you can hear me? Holy crap.
No.
I'm like 3 blocks from the McDonald's already. How is that possible?
Yeah.
You know, when I was reading that online, I thought that that was just bullshit, but you can literally do that. Oh, just as I said that, it fucking...
No.
Wow. I just lost it. Come on, yo. There's a stratosphere. You know what it might be too, Mantha? Maybe Ren has just been working too long today. Maybe Ren has just been working too long today or something. I don't know. It's been 3 hours since we waited. Yeah, and guess what the good thing is? Mom said that she's gonna use her car when I called her when we were at McDonald's.
Yeah.
Mom says she's gonna use her car tomorrow because she's got to go somewhere, and her system is already in. So all we got to do is make our way back to the Audio Express and pick it up. There's the monorail. Whew. We already walked quite a bit, actually. Come on, Ren, stop being a fart face. Whew. I do apologize, guys. I have a soda in my hand. Other than that, I would flip the camera around. I just don't have the arms. It's kind of hard to explain, but I can't really like properly hold this camera facing the other way. I can turn like this and get Mantha, but I can't hold it up and show my face. It's kind of hard to explain, but I do want to get all this because this is all fun for me. So, good to test this microphone too, getting all the audio. We walked quite a ways already. Ren okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
And, yeah.
Yeah, keep walking over there. Don't walk near the street. Just because Ren might not think and walk out, you know?
Come on. Leave it. Let's go. Hey.
We're already at Santa Rosa. We have to watch the step. Through the bus stop. Through the bus stop. It might not see it, guys, on camera, but trust me, it's fucking cold. It wasn't cold. It was weird. It wasn't cold when we first left, but now it's like getting colder. It's not because I'm drinking a soda either. It's literally because I'm cold. Come on, Mantha. Keep up. We can't slow down. Come on. God, Mantha always walking so damn slow. We're already at the PTs. Those are big here for people that don't know Las Vegas. PTs are big. Pretty big anyway. There's a bunch of them. Nothing like being able to go to a place like McDonald's, have a nice meal, and then all this walking burns it off. Oh, it'll for sure burn it off, because I'm pretty sure that even though this is like a 15-minute walk, it's probably about a mile in distance or longer. So come on, Mantha. Can you hear me, Mantha? All right, come on. Now we're at the Van Patten Avenue. Miles away from Mantha. Come on, Mantha. You gotta keep up, yo. You okay? You okay? It's okay, we had to wait for this car anyway. Is she okay? She's probably just tired, man. Beverly Way. You alright? How the hell are you supposed to get up that ladder when it's that high? I suppose it comes down a little bit, but it's still up there. You alright, Mantha? I'm just asking because I can't hear because of the wind, that's all. Oh look, they got ambulances over there. Something going on. AutoZone. Yeah! I'd love to get behind one of them. You dodge all this traffic. There's Marie Callender's again. You okay, Mantha?
Yeah.
Alright, just checking. Bryn's doing pretty good, right? Awesome. Through the bus stop again. You okay? Yeah. I know I said it like 50 times, just making sure. Careful, there's a bump right there. I almost fell. Wow, we're almost back already. We're a little bit past halfway. That's not a far walk at all. Not a far walk at all, my friends. Not at all. There's the Republic Service Building again. I can see where all my trash bill money goes to pay for that reflective tint on the fucking windows. They a bunch of assholes, no joke. Samantha, watch this bump here. I almost fell. You okay?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Yeah, there's a little dip in the sidewalk over here. Woo! Yeah, but we've been walking for about 12 minutes, Mantha. So we're literally almost back to where Audio Express is. Yeah, see, the hotels are all far away now. That's where the Las Vegas Strip is. It was just easier going to this one. Watch step here. Private drive. And here's that one jeweler place. We're pretty close. Yeah, we're almost back already. What is that? That's the city impact building. Yeah, we're right there. Probably, I think right where that American flag is flying, way out there. Not way out there, but that's where it is. You okay? She can't hear me, the wind's blowing. I still wonder if the microphone's been picking up all this wind, guys. I wonder. Whew. Starting to regret getting that soda because now I gotta go to the bathroom again. What the hell? Mantha! Mantha! Where'd she go? Don't do that again.
What?
I couldn't see you. You scared me. Is she okay?
Yeah.
Alright. Car's turning. Yeah, it says my microphone's on. Home of the Open Bar Sahara Lounge. Manfa's getting some good exercise today. Offices. Almost there, yo. It's good? Yeah. Cool, we're almost there. I think it's like right over here. I can see the sign. I can see the express part of the sign. I drank my whole soda in the time span that we walked. It's a little cup, but still drank it. Yeah, Mantha, we walked for 18 minutes. Yeah, going back. Yeah, and there's the sign right there. It's right here. So we're good. So we got about 40 minutes of walking in. That is not bad at all. I probably don't even have to ride my bike tonight. And that's with eating McDonald's. That's kind of cool. Good Rin. Good Rin. Man, isn't Rin so good? There's Audio Express right there. We made it. Let's go get the car, yo. Holy crap, guys. Well worth the money. Me and Mantha sitting here. Look at the new system, guys. The guy walked me through all this stuff, and I had no idea. I'm sure some people who know about this audio stuff would know this or not, but I didn't replace the speakers in this car. But man, because this system processes music better than like a stock system, it makes the sound better, the sound quality better, and all this stuff. You could pair two phones. It's got great sound. I mean, all this stuff that's with it, it's crazy. And the old system looks like poo-poo.
No.
So in some cases, stock sucks. So yeah, I'm pretty excited, yo.
I know.
Yeah. Let's you know what we should do? Here, hold the camera real quick. We're gonna pair your phone. Let me pair your phone real quick.
Okay.
And then we are gonna call Mom.
On video or no?
Yeah. We're gonna call Mom.
Is it paired?
Yeah, it says pairing. Okay. Okay, that's what you have to do. You press the volume knob, okay? Alright. So now what we're gonna do, let's see if I can do this right. There's Mom. Oh my god, it's so cool.
I know.
Let's see how loud.
Yes.
Hey,
Yes.
guess what?
What?
We're on the phone with you on your new system in your car.
Oh, cool.
And holy crap, if you can't hear this, you must be deaf as a damn mule because it's so fucking loud.
Okay, Tony.
No, it's awesome. You love this. I'm telling you, Mom, you're gonna love this.
Woo!
It's even better than I thought. And you can have you and Mantha's phone connected at the same time.
Wow.
Yeah, and it got Bluetooth. All you gotta do is hit the phone button. I already paired it for you, so.
Yeah, you guys almost home?
No, we're still sitting in the parking lot at Audio Express.
Oh.
Yeah, we were filming a couple parts, and then we're gonna leave in like 2 seconds.
No. Yeah, because I was going to be by the door to unlock it for you because it's freaking cold.
I know. We just got done walking in it.
Mm-hmm.
But hey, this is freaking awesome. I don't care. Glad we got it done. Right, Mantha?
Yeah.
Are you ready to start driving, Mantha?
Yeah.
Wow, this is awesome.
Yee! Yee!
Yee. Oh, and guess what?
What?
I did not even know this when I bought it, but apparently the guy was just out here showing me everything about the system. Apparently because the head unit is like way higher technology than what your car came with. It processes the radio stations and the music with higher quality than what the car came with, so it actually makes your speakers sound really fucking awesome, and I didn't even change those out.
No.
Yeah, so now you got some boom boom. Of course you can play CDs, yeah.
Can't wait! Can't wait!
It's got CD, it's got 2 USB, so you can use it to play anything you want on YouTube, on your phone, anything. It's got pairing for your phone. It's got it increased the quality of the music, so now it sounds just like you got boom boom bass in this car.
Boom boom bass!
That boom boom clat, boom boom clat. Oh my god, this is so cool. Like, I can hear you throughout the whole car. It sounds like one of the new cars like that I used to sell. Like, that's what it sounds like. It's awesome.
How much money did you spend on that thing?
I'm not gonna tell you. I'm just glad you got it. But you'll love it. Oh, and it's got a CD. I think you can fit. How many do you think you can fit, Mantha? You can fit like 5 or 6 CD cases in there.
Something like that, probably.
Did you get that string thing out of there?
That's not even in there anymore. He took the whole unit out.
Well, I said, did you get it back?
No, it got eaten.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so we'll be home, I don't know, like
Soon.
15 minutes.
Alrighty.
Alright, see ya.
Alright.
Cow's waiting.
I know, I can't wait to see Cowie. Alright, bye.
Bye.
Wow.
It's
Fucking
good.
awesome, yo.
I know.
Fucking awesome.
Here.
Guys, you gotta understand, that's freaking awesome for an old car like this to have this kind of technology in it now.
Yeah.
My mom really needs stuff like this, so it's awesome.
Alrighty.
All right, to the house we go.